tayo. Okay lang. Okay, kuan. Talungkutan last station. Ayan. Last stop siya. So, di rin naman mag-agi. Mag-cross the road. Tayo. Tapos, lakad papunta doon. Mag-cross the road tayo. Puro pa naman mga lalaking ano dito. Sasakyan ang dumadaan. Nandun na yung temple na sinasabi nila. So, yan ang yung temple. Tapos, yung migraine na bahay sa likod. So, may stairs na. Ito yung nakikita ko eh. Na green stairs. Ayan siya. So, may mga cemetery pa. So, another ribbon. Yan ang trail. Grabe ito bunot. Tungkol tayo. Grabe sa bilas yung daan natin. Pasok yan. Ingat-ingat. Yes, iyan ka sa buka lang. Nag-iit. Ang anihin pa na nila. So, galing tayo dyan. Talaga pag mag-ingat dito banda. Grabe oh. Kaldo talaga. Tapos akyatin pa namin yung bundok na yan. Doon tayo galing nagpa-picture kanina. So, ngayon umakyat tayo dito punta sa Piglets. Ayan siya. Ito, ang lalaki ng mga bato. Ayan. Dito na tayo sa Piglets. So, yung yung X sa X-Rock. Doon tayo sa baba. Wala lang sa baba yung X. So, doon tayo galing kanina. Tayo dito. So, aalis na tayo sa X kasi nga hindi kami makaakyat. Kawawa naman talaga kaming dalawa. Kaya,
Hindi kaya sa powers.
hindi kaya sa powers, kaya alis na lang kami. Oo. Tapos na tayo sa Piglets. Dito na naman tayo sa kabila. Ayan siya. Diretso na tayo. So, grabe yung daan, no? So, daming bato. Nagitnaan siya. Yung daan. Puro bato. Pink sand. Kulay pink siya. Yan o, kulay pink. So another rock formation siya. Ayan mga ka-freebies, another rock formation. So, tayo dito. Summit na. Ah, dumating na kami sa summit. Ah. Ala.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast, I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains that last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could
Oo, tapos na tayo sa Summit Peak mga ka-queen. So, pupunta na tayo dun sa next destination natin. Sa dito yung tada. Maingat. Madulas.